creation of a designated BC scheduler in the district courts is a forward-looking measure to streamline virtual hearing, optimize court functioning, and ensure better coordination among the stakeholders. Likewise, the e-meeting platform would facilitate real-time communication among the registry officers and the secretarial staff of the Honorable Court, enabling quick information about any scheduled meeting. May I now respectfully request Honorable Sri Justice Harish Tandon, Chief Justice, High Court of Odisha, to kindly inaugurate MACT Dashboard, BC Scheduler, and the e-meeting platform. Lordship, please.
Welcome to the launch of initiatives of the High Court of Odisha. In compliance with the mandate of the Honorable Supreme Court of India in suo motu writ petition number 7 of 2024, the High Court of Odisha takes a monumental step forward in judicial governance. Introducing the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal Compensation Dashboard Portal. This digital ecosystem transforms the monitoring, tracking, and processing of compensation amounts deposited under the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 and the Employees Compensation Act 1923 across the state judiciary. Engineered for absolute clarity, the portal brings power and transparency to every step of the process. It features a core litigation page, serving as a centralized database for case, claimant, and award details. A dedicated deposit tracking page provides real-time monitoring of deposits made by insurance companies. The disbursal ledger page offers comprehensive entry fields for direct beneficiary payout tracking. And a sophisticated reporting desk ensures the instant generation of compliance and analytical reports for courts. The MACT Dashboard, transforming motor accident claims from paperwork to accelerated relief. VC Scheduler, a secure, web-based platform for scheduling and managing inter-district and intra-district video conferencing between courts. Simply log in, check the availability of the destination court, and submit your VC request. Track its status in real time, while court administrators efficiently process and manage requests, ensuring faster, transparent, and seamless judicial coordination for timely hearings and the speedy disposal of court cases. The e-meeting application provides the registry with a centralized and efficient platform for scheduling committee meetings. It helps coordinate meetings by considering member availability, venue, and the overall meeting calendar, while identifying scheduling conflicts in advance to ensure smooth planning. Immediately upon the scheduling of a meeting, the information becomes accessible to the secretarial staff attached to the honorable judges. Thanks for watching.
Obliged, Lordship. Thank you, CPC and his team, for developing such e-initiatives to promote effective monitoring of judicial and administrative processes. May I now request Honorable Sri Justice Krishna Ram Mahapatra, Chairperson, IT and AI Committee, to kindly address the gathering and share insights on these initiatives and their implementation. Lordship, please.
Thank you, Dr. Rathar. Namaskar and a very good morning to all present physically and virtually. Honorable Sri Justice Harish Tandon, the Chief Justice of High Court of Odisha, my sister and brother judges of this court, Dr. Bhagyalakshmi Rathar, the Registrar General, and other officers of the registry, fellow district judges and other judicial officers of the state judiciary, learned CPC and his entire team, who are the Vishwakarmas of these three initiatives. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to this special occasion of launching three special e-initiatives. I feel privileged to get an opportunity to speak a few words on the e-initiatives launched. Our Honorable Chief Justice just now launched three e-initiatives which are very much essential for functioning of our judiciary. Two of the e-initiatives are meant for the state judiciary and one for the High Court. Those are MACT Dashboard, video conferencing scheduler, and e-meetings platform. At the first and much important e-initiative is MACT Dashboard. Honorable Supreme Court of India in Somota Petition, Civil number 7 2024, flag the compensation awarded under the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 and Employees Compensation Act 1923 are intended to provide immediate financial relief to the victims and the beneficiaries. Thus, release of the compensation to the victims and beneficiaries should be within shortest period of time and seamless. But it seems that in many cases, substantial amount of compensation awarded remain unclaimed or undistributed, even there is no legal impediment for the sale. In order to avoid the issues, to create digital dashboard with assistance of the state government, the dashboard will contain uploaded information regarding compensation lying deposited before the MSCTs and labor courts. The dashboards has been designed to provide complete visibility into the every stage of compensation process, starting from passing the award, deposits of compensation amount, verification by the tribunals and labor courts, transmission of the information to the concerned bank, and finally, the disbursement of the amounts to the beneficiaries. Such end-to-end visibility will certainly reduce delays significantly and reduce procedural bottlenecks as well as enhance accountability. It will assist to identify pending deposits, monitor delays, and efficiently deal with disbursement of compensation. The second such initiative is video conferencing scheduler. Virtual hearing of the cases no longer remain an option or as an alternative, but it has become a conventional mode of hearing, enabling the courts to reach litigants, lawyers beyond geographical barriers. It was in the backdrop of the district judges, it was in this backdrop, in the district judges conference 2025, a detailed discussion was made on the need of a more organized and uniform mechanism for scheduling virtual hearings. While video conferencing facilities are available for the judiciary throughout the state, it is observed that in absence, both the courts and lawyers, including the litigants, are facing difficulty in getting a slot to appear through virtual mode. In order to overcome the practical difficulties, the e-initiative has been launched. The objective of this e-initiative is to ensure that virtual hearing facility is utilized in orderly, transparent, and effective manner while avoiding scheduling conflicts and making process convenient for all concerned. It provides a common digital platform through which virtual hearing can be made. Slots can be booked as well in advance in systematic manner instead of depending manual coordination and multiple channel communications. The entire process has been brought into a single platform where availability, scheduling, and allocation of slots can be managed in a transparent and practicable manner. We are also working to bring the VWDC's common virtual courts and other VC facilities available within the court complexes into its fold. It will also be included in this video conferencing scheduler. The third such initiative is for the High Court. It is e-meetings platform. The e-initiative is meant for the High Court. It is observed that scheduling of the meeting of the different administrative committees has become a difficult task. Honorable judges of the court are members of different administrative committees. In absence of a centralized scheduling mechanism, it is not uncommon for meeting to overlap in terms of time, venue, and availability of honorable members. The application has been designed to address the practical requirements. A single platform is provided to the registry for scheduling committee meetings in a structured and coordinated manner, thereby eliminating scheduling conflicts and ensuring optimum utilization of valuable time of honorable judges. An important feature of this application is that once a meeting is scheduled, the details will be readily available to the secretariat staff of honorable judges. The e-initiative will certainly help the registry, the secretariat of honorable judges, and honorable judges themselves to effectively manage the time and other important assignments. I thank you all for giving me a patient hearing, and I welcome you all for the e-initiatives launched. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
Obliged Lordship for Lordship's valuable words and guidance. May I now request Honorable Sri Justice Harish Tandon, Chief Justice High Court of Odisha, to kindly
Yes.
address the August gathering.
My brothers and sister judges on the bench, the district judges and the other members of the judiciary who are present virtually, the registry of this court, Learned Registrar General, all other members who are present in this occasion, ladies and gentlemen. As we all know that by advancement of our technology, every sectors across the country has really embraced it and adopted the same, because it not only enhances the efficiency in working, but also added a lot in shaping the justice as well. The judiciary is not an exception to it. And at times, when we faced a pandemic, the technology has really attributed to shaping the justice and also dispensation of the justice to the litigants. There has been a many technology which has been adopted by us, which are already in place, which includes a virtual hearing accessible to any person at the distant place. As we all know that there is no end of enhancing the technology, the development of the technology, and also adopting the same into the system to the fullest. Today is a remarkable day when we have launched 3 initiatives, one of which was envisioned by the Supreme Court in a suo motu writ petition number 7 of 2024. Our judicial experience in dealing with the cases concerning the compensation under the Motor Vehicles Act has taught us that there has been a great amount of a deprivation, either because of our ignorance or because of some interference at the behest of some of the stakeholders. The timely payment of the compensation awarded by the tribunal or the courts actually did not reach to the claimant. There is no substitute of a death, as the life cannot be resurrected. But definitely some amount of a solace can be given by awarding a compensation, which is an obligation under the statute. MACT Dashboard is one of such significant step where a litigant or any person can see the real time, the data which are there, including the deposit of the compensation amount by the bank or by the insurance company or any other organizations who are obligated to discharge such obligations. This dashboard will provide all the data relating to the deposit of money by them, the disbursement thereof through an open and transparent mechanism, and also a timely payment directly to the person entitled to such amount, eradicating any intermediaries in between the same, which is in my opinion is a motive so far as this suo motu writ petition initiated or laws by the or filed by the Supreme Court and passed an order in this regard. So far as a video conferencing scheduler is concerned, our High Court have taken I would say, very significant steps in providing this video conferencing hall or a place across the state in every courts, where a litigant or the lawyer, they can appear. Even a virtual hearing has been one of the important facet of the dispensation of justice, and therefore to give a slot to the litigant or the lawyer appears to be an humongous task at times. To obviate such kind of problems, we have adopted this video conferencing scheduler where, in a fair and a transparent manner, they can be allotted a slot so that they can appear before the court at the time of hearing of the cases, and the litigant can also be getting an opportunity to watch the proceedings which are going on in the court in relation to their matter. The third initiative is absolutely an internal mechanism so far as the administrative functioning and the working of the High Court is concerned. Several committees have been constituted to assist the Chief Justice to take a decision in a time-bound manner. At times, there are the members of the committee. At times, the schedule fixed for meeting of the committee overlaps. In order to avoid any kind of such situations, this initiative, the application that is called the e-meeting has been developed by the CPC, so that the moment any date is fixed by the committee for its meeting, it is immediately circulated amongst the registry as well as to the personal secretary of the respective honorable judges. That would really avoid not only the congestions, but also avoid any kind of an overlapping with the other committees. The CPC and its team has shown an unwavering commitment in developing the technology, the softwares, and dedicating it to the High Court and across the state in the district courts. I am really thankful to them, and I congratulate them for this work which they have undertaken. I believe that these initiatives will be put in place and will work seamlessly and will definitely enhance the efficiency of the working in the judicial system. Thank you for participating in this program.
Obliged, my lord, for dedicating the above initiatives to be used in the High Court and in the district judiciary, which will significantly enhance the quality of judicial administration and service delivery. May I now request Honorable Dr. Justice Sanjeev Kumar Panigrahi, member of the IT and AI Committee, to propose the vote of thanks. Lordship, please.
Here and both physically and also virtually. The members of the district administration, registry officials, friends from print and electronic media, participants joining through virtual mode. There are moments that pass and there are moments that endure. History does not remember the ribbon that is cut or the button that is pressed. It remembers what changed on the other side of the spectrum. I have every reason to believe that today is such a moment, and I congratulate everybody, especially the team CPC, for developing such a nice initiative. Let us speak plainly, especially in a MACT dashboard. At the edge of loss, waiting, sometimes for years, for the system to remember them. Therefore, this is definitely a welcome initiative, and that will help in mitigating the issues faced by the litigants in the MACT case. We are not merely building a dashboard. We are building a conscience that never sleeps. Similarly, the VC scheduler is another great initiative done by our team CPC. There is an old belief that justice must wait for geography. The VC schedule, in fact, collapses the distance into a single click so that a hearing in Bhubaneswar or in any place of Orissa that can be done with Similarly, the e-meeting platform. This is another great initiative. The e-meeting platform is our promises that no results shall dissolve. The moment the rooms empties, every agenda, every decision, every follow-up held accountable to time itself. Hence, this is also another important initiative, and all the details have been told by my previous speaker. So, in the end, I must say to all the officers of the registry and especially the CPC team, they are the quiet architects of this system who labored long after the rest of us went home. History will not print your name in any plaque, but it will remember your work every single time a claimant is paid a little sooner, a hearing proceeds a little smoother, a decision is honored a little more faithfully. That is a monument greater than marble. At the end, I congratulate all of you who will be using the system and definitely take advantage of the system for the enhancing the judicial justice delivery system. Thank you all. Thank you all the people, the judicial officers who are here present in this momentous occasion, and especially the team CPC for their great contribution. Special thanks to, again, the people who are solid behind the CPC, the technology people. So for their day and night effort for making this kind of initiative available to the system. Thank you. Bande Utkal Janani.
Thank you, Lordship, for extending vote of thanks. May I now seek the kind permission of the Honorable Chair to declare the function closed?
Yes.
Obliged, Lordship. The function is declared as concluded. Namaskar.